Hey guys, welcome back to my channel 5-minute product review. Today I am going to tell you about the top 3 Apple watches. So let's start it. The first one is new Apple Watch Series 6 GPS 40mm space gray aluminum case with black spot print. GPS model lets you take cells and reply to text from your wrist. Measure your blood oxygen with all new sensor and app. Check your heart rhythm with the ECG app. The Always-On Retina display is 2.5x brighter outdoor when your wrist is down. S6 chip is up to 20% faster than 5G HZ Wi-Fi and U1 Ultra-Wideband chip. Track your daily activity on Apple Watch and see your trend in the fitness app on iPhone. Measure workout like running, walking, cycling, yoga, swimming, and dancing. The next one is new Apple Watch SE GPS cellular 40mm gold aluminum case with pink sand support band. GPS and cellular model lets you call, text, and get direction without your phone. Large Retina OLED display. Up to 2x faster processor than Series 3. Track your daily activity on Apple Watch and see your trend in the fitness app on iPhone. Measure workouts like running, walking, cycling, yoga, swimming, and dance. Swim-proof design. High and low heart rate notification and irregular heart rhythm notification. Sync and stream music, podcast, and audiobook. Pay intensity and securely from your wrist with Apple Pay. Set up an Apple Watch for family members who don't have an iPhone using family setup. The last one is Apple Watch Series 3 GPS 38mm space gray aluminum case with black sport band. GPS Retina display, swim-proof optical heart sensor, store music, podcast, and audiobooks, elevation, emergency SOS, S3 chip with dual-core processor, Watch OS with activity trend, cycle tracking, hearing health, innovation, and the App Store on your wrist. Aluminum case. Thanks for watching. If you have any question about these watches, leave a comment below. I hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe the channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon.